This is a little tour of my sewing room. I recently, I think it was about a year ago, got these Billy bookcases from IKEA. They are awesome. I really like them. They hold a lot of fabric. My Juki cover, all kinds of stuff. So I really like the Billy bookcases, and they are very reasonable. And then I recently moved my sewing machine here. It's on my Sullivan quilting table that fits under this cutting table that we made out of a 4x8 sheet of plywood. Painted it, and we put these bookcase things, I guess they're called, from Menards, one on each end. So I have bins for like scraps and just odds and ends. And then I had this entertainment center. It fits under there, holds all my rulers and quilting stencils, all kinds of stuff. It's perfect size for cutting. And then I attached this old wooden ruler yardstick on here, which is nice for measuring in 1 yard increments. And then this is portable. This little accessory table, it's on wheels, and I put all my quilting thread in there. This holds all my batting and some extra fabric and my quilts. And there's some of the embroidery designs I framed because they're so pretty. This is a ladder my husband and I made for quilts to hang on. And then I just finished making this ironing board cover for this old dresser. Works really great. I'm working on a chandelier quilt right now. And then I've got my iron plugged in to the side of here. See, you can see I attached this to the dresser so I can plug my iron in and different things. And then I have my little Target cart for ironing board stuff, or ironing. This is a cabinet my grandpa made. And that's where I'm hanging some of my quilts, on 2 old shelves. And then I have a good closet for batting and fabric in there. And then this is my embroidery machine, my brother PE 800. And then I put my designs, I have them all. And these, this is 4x4, this is 5x7. Because I used to have a 4x4 only embroidery machine. And then I keep some of my threads in here, my embroidery frames, and then stabilizers down in there. And then I have a bunch of embroidery thread up here. This is an old thing I made for my daughter. This is hand embroidered. Isn't it cute? And then that's about it. There's a closet there I can keep more fabric in. And I guess that's about it. I gotta do some more organizing over here. It's a mess, but I'm getting a lot of quilts made. I'll show you the other area I have. It's my Grace quilting frame. I'm working on this. This is the backing for this red and white quilt. It's gonna be roses. And I might embroider some roses on here. And then this is a treadle I just got from my daughter's mother-in-law. It's awesome. Actually works. And there's old macrame I made. And we put this old cedar chest in front of the window because we like to sit and look out the window, and the dog likes to be up here to look out too. And there's a quilt frame so I can hang up my quilts. And this Grace frame I use my brother PQ 1500 SL. It's not as big as the throat as I would like, but it works fine. So that's about it for my sewing room and mid-arm room.